Hello everyone, hope you have had a wonderful Christmas. Today we got home some regular mail that with things that I have bought on the internet, and here I have someone very special who's gonna help me open these things up. That's right, can you see him? It's Moana's little pet pig, Pua. So he's gonna help us. So let's see, which one are we gonna start with? We can start with this big one. Good job, boy. Ooh. Wow. Wow, it's even more paper. Oh, Pooha, what did you find in there? Oh, it's the movie Sleepy Hollow. No, this is a pretty old movie. But baby, it's a movie with Johnny Depp. Oh my gosh. I love this movie so much. It is so incredibly great, so exciting. Wow. Alright, let's see, where is the next one? This is the second and last one. Oh, there it is. Oh, what is it? Oh, look, can you see that? It's purple. It's a little makeup mirror. Wow. It goes on LED lights, but I don't have batteries for it right now. But I hope that's okay. But let's open it up and take a look. Oh, look. Oh, look at the mirror. So pretty. Hi. The mirror's up there and down there, and so shiny and so beautiful. Can you see those little dots there? That is where the LED light is going to be. Oh, let's turn it on the right side. I had it upside down. Alright, there it is. So it's gonna light it up. Oh, Pooha, you look so cute. Alright everyone, that was all. I hope you liked this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a super awesome comment below. And a Happy New Year!